The COVID-19 pandemic and social work, an action call for social cohesion. Given the scourge's harmful influence on society's underserved and devalued populations, the social work profession, more than any other, is most harmed by the raging coronavirus, aka COVID pandemic. More importantly, the pandemic has shattered the profession's long-standing dedication to social justice and human rights, as well as its insistence on the value of human relationships. The goal of this paper is to explain how social work and the COVID-19 epidemic are linked. While emphasizing the profession's deafening silence in the global pandemic discourse, it argues that a reaction must be urgent if our profession is to gain meaningful public value amid the current loss of life and risks to human rights. The strategies for our professional action in limiting the contagion's effect are laid out. Our profession may continue to be called into question, first by critics, citizens, then by our client systems, and finally by ourselves, unless we act quickly to address the world's major concerns. The COVID-19 pandemic, which began in Wuhan, China, has had a huge impact on the world. It has caused major disruptions to daily life, halted economies, and led to the loss of countless lives. People across the globe have experienced fear and uncertainty. While many tried to stay safe through lockdowns and social distancing, these measures also raised concerns, especially in countries with a history of human rights violations. Vulnerable groups, such as the elderly, people with disabilities, and the poor, were hit the hardest, facing increased hardship and limited support. In one notable example, violence broke out in Warri, Nigeria, after reports of security forces killing a local during lockdown enforcement. These kinds of incidents raise important questions about how societies respond in crisis and how the rules meant to protect people can sometimes do harm instead. This situation presents a unique challenge and opportunity for social work. As a profession, social work is grounded in principles of human dignity, social justice, and support for the most vulnerable. Social workers aim to bring people together, promote positive social change, and help individuals and communities recover and thrive. Although the international social work community has recognized the impact of COVID-19, there has been limited discussion or research on how social workers have responded to the crisis. Interestingly, major disasters can sometimes lead to moments of unity and compassion, and this was seen during the early months of the pandemic. However, such feelings often fade as new problems arise. Local governments and professionals faced ongoing, shifting challenges. This paper argues for more research and action from social workers to understand and respond to the effects of COVID-19, especially as the world continues to deal with its long-term consequences. COVID-19 has deeply affected the world, bringing pain, hardship, and uncertainty to millions. Despite the seriousness of the crisis, the social work profession has remained surprisingly quiet, both in action and in professional discussions. This silence risks making social work seem less important or even irrelevant in times of public health emergencies. To change this, social workers must take stronger, more visible action in response to the pandemic. This essay highlights how social work can play a vital role during and after COVID-19 by supporting vulnerable people, promoting social justice, and helping communities recover. It aims to encourage further conversation and research in the field. Ultimately, the message is one of hope. Throughout history, human strength and unity have helped societies survive the worst disasters. COVID-19, like past challenges, can be overcome, and social workers have a key part to play in that recovery. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.